you tryna be cute with no lashes on. Heard you call yourself a hot girl with them plastics on. Said he acting up and girl put them lashes on.
Hey y'all, it's Justus and I'm back with another video. If you want to know how to make this business card, keep on watching. So we're going to start off with the PicsArt app. You know that's the app I've been using. And we're going to make that little MasterCard logo, but we can't use their actual colors and stuff because you don't want to get sued. You know that's copywritten. So I'm going to make one with the colors that this made up business I didn't create it for y'all on this little series. Luscious pink. No, what is it? Luscious minks. Yeah, so I'm putting those together. And I made it in white one time and I didn't like that. So make them in whatever color you want. But yeah, just get these circles, put the colors together, you know, make them as close as possible. Delete the white background, just leave it transparent. So when you put it on top of your business card, you know, it look good. Then we're going, y'all know I'm working between two phones. Now we three in, we three deep. Y'all already know what's going on. We 3 videos deep. So I'm sending this to my other phone so I can use my PicsArt app. And then I go into the PicsArt app. I go into that picture. Again, remember I told y'all I made it in white. Disregard the fact that it's in white. It should be in gray. But yeah, you just put the name. I decided to just put Luscious Minks on there and make it look like it's their, you know, credit card instead of a MasterCard. You feel me? So, Luscious Minks. Boom. Boom. That is cute to me. So I'm going to save that and send it back to my other phone. Don't judge. Don't judge. Don't judge. Okay, so other phone, boom, PicsArt, and we're going to open up what we just, well, we're really going to open up a new one. So choose the one that looks like a business card and then leave the white background. We're not going to delete the white background this time. And we're going to add our little picture we just made. Boom, boom. Put it off up in the corner like they do. So I am going to add our logo. Now, you could have done this differently. You could have put your logo off in the corner instead of the MasterCard symbol. And you could have did it like that. But using a symbol that's like already there is a lot better. Now, you could have got a font that kind of looked like, you know, the Visa symbol and put your name right there or something like that. Be creative. It's a lot of different cards out there. I know Visa, MasterCard, American Express, all of that. Be creative. Now, I found this little chip in the stickers. So that's something. So, and then another thing is right now we're decorating the front of the card. Most that I see do have front and back. But if you don't want a back of the card, if that's not, you know, important to you, you could get this printed either at home, which you can print front and back at home as well if you have a printer that'll do it. Or you could go to Office Depot, which is opened up again. Y'all, I was so happy I almost shed a tear. I've been missing going to Office Depot, and that is so weird. Out of all the places, I was mad about Office Depot. Oh my goodness, but okay. So you can go there. They will print it same day, like right there while you're standing there. They will print your business cards off for you. Like 50 cards is like $6-7 or something. And they're going to print them, but it's got to be just the front. If you want front and back, then it has to be printed like out of town and mailed to them or whatever, something. But keep that in mind. So I did add the numbers for the card. I did add the expiration. I added the logo. Now, another thing you could have did with the logo too, I could have like put it in the background and like changed the opacity or however you say that and made it like a little like transparent and just had it in the background like a picture in the back. And then at the top, I could have just typed the name in a pretty font and put Luscious Minks. It's really however you want to do it. Be creative. Everybody don't go make the same exact card, you know, stand out. So yeah, I'm just putting everything how I think it should look. And I wanted to add some extra diamonds. So you're going to see me type in diamonds. And I found this like border that I thought was cute because you know how they have those where you can customize your credit cards and stuff like that. So I'm like, what if somebody wanted the iced out, you know what I'm saying, credit card? You feel me? Like, boom, let's do it. Let's give them what they want. A woman's best friend is what we love, what? Diamonds, period, and money, period. So let's give them the diamonds on the card. But that's just me being extra. My business cards don't look like that. If this is too much for you, too many steps for you, then check out my last video where I just made a very simple business card. Nothing hard. I will be making more like business cards. I got a couple of other business cards in mind. And then if y'all want me to show y'all how to print it at home, I can show y'all how to print it at home because it's super duper easy. Nothing to it. All you need is a printer and the right type of like business cards and stuff like that. So you see what I'm doing? I'm like fitting it where everything looks good. Okay, so I don't know if I'm going to put the back of the card on this video because I don't want this video to be too long. So I think I'm just going to add the back of this card, like how to do the back of it, to another video so that this video is just not too long and like 100,000 steps, because the back of the card is a whole nother thing. Like we pretty much through with the front of the card almost. And if you wanted to know also, because I know I'm doing it on like a plain white background, if you wanted to do it like on a different background, so say if you want to do it on black background, pink, or any of that, it's really easy. It's like two different ways you could do it. When you chose this one with the white background, you could have chose like another color that they had, or you could have, you know, screenshotted the color that you want and just made it big to cover that whole rectangle, if you get what I'm saying. If you want me to do that, I can do that. Just put it in the comment section below and I'll show you how to do that on one of my next videos. Let's see, I just added the website because it was looking kind of like something needed to be in that little area right there. I don't know. So I added the website and now I'm going to save it. So that's the front of the card. And I'm definitely going to put the back on the card on another video. So this is the card that we have made so far. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I do thank you guys for your support and watching and getting my other video to like, I think it's like 1,500. I don't know, whatever it is. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Y'all the best on period. Thank you so much and stay blessed.